All right, so I had a guy contact me. He saw one of my Priuses over a year ago, and we've been trying to get around to doing a lift on his car because he's interested in doing the same thing. And after a full year of trying to make things work out, I got to meet Brad. Thank you for meeting me out here at my house so we can take care of your car.
Thanks for having me.
I think we're doing a 2-inch lift kit, right?
1.6, I think, is what the website says. Yeah.
I think the 1.6 lift kit is honestly the best way to go. Best reliability, easy to install. Let's take a look and see what we got. All right, so this is the kit that we got. Looks like something, almost looks 3D printed. Oh, it's not. It's I don't know what that is.
Is it like polyurethane or something?
It might be polyurethane.
Yeah. It said 1.6,
Yep.
but
1.6.
yeah.
All right, so this is going to be a nice change because all of my lift kits have been homemade. For the first time, I get to do something that's bolt-on. So that's pretty sweet. This should go a lot better than what I'm used to doing. So normally these replacement studs will fit nice and tight. These are loose. This is like a no-name brand generic lift kit from eBay. I don't think it's going to give them any problems along the way. The back end of the stud is going to hold it in place just fine. This just makes it easier to install this thing if it's not loose like that. You can put this thing on here. And so when I go to try to lift this thing and put it back in the car, these studs are just going to want to fall out. And I think I got a solution for that. We're just going to use this rubber band right here that's going to pull tension on all 3 bolts so it doesn't fall out. Okay, we have the spacer installed up here. Everything is bolted together down there. Now I just got to do the same to the opposite side and then the back suspension. So all of this interior components have to be removed in order to get to the strut bolts. We're just about there. Okay, we got the old strut removed. Now I just got to replace these studs, slap this thing back on, and then we're good to go. Okay, we got the spacer lift installed. We're gonna bolt everything back together and see how much ground clearance we have now. Okay, we got the polyurethane lift kit installed. I think it looks pretty good. One of the best benefits, honestly, in my opinion for this, is just going down the road. You're less likely to destroy the undercarriage of your vehicle, running into things. You know, we live here in the state of Utah. There's gonna be stuff on the road. Tons of construction going on. And also, you could hit a little bit of the trails out there if you're just trying to get to a trailhead or anything. Looks like our ground clearance is sitting right at about 9 inches. This is a stock Prius. We're going to check and see what the ground clearance on this looks like in comparison. Looks like the ground clearance on this Prius is right about 6 or 7. And he's planning on getting bigger tires as well. These tires are a 25-inch, but in this setup you can go to a 27. So what do you think of it, Brad?
I think it's awesome. I'm excited. I've been thinking about doing it, wanted to do it since I saw your car rolling down the road, and I really appreciate your help. I think it's a big improvement for sure. It's way nicer.
A lot taller.
Just get in and out of, for sure.
To a lot of you guys out there thinking, that's hardly a lifted Prius at all. But in the Prius community, this actually is pretty lifted. Well, thanks again, Brad.
Thank you.
Appreciate you stopping by.
Nice to meet
It's
you.
a pleasure to work on your car.
Thank you.